you know what, we do like to be different on this channel, so when it does come to searching for a unique style of toothbrush, we leave no exceptions. Today what we have before us is the Cheeeese Dead Smile Electric Toothbrush. Yeah, we do love this name. I mean, how many times has someone tried to get a selfie with you at the wrong moment, when you know you now brush your teeth? So when you've got a toothbrush branded like this, from then on, when someone says cheese, you'll think, teeth, are they clean? So within this well presented package, there is a... Oh, hey, wow. I love this. I really do love this. How modern looking is this toothbrush? It has a real beautiful, smooth, glossy front panel with a surprisingly grippy matte hard shell that collectively comes in this, should I say, pink colour? I mean, what colour is this? Okay, so apparently it's called Cheeeese Red. Oh, well, whatever colour it is, it certainly does look fantastic. We do have some chrome accents to the design. There's a magnetic levitation sonic modes ahead that comes hygienically protected in this included transparent cap with a vinyl feeling shiny power button. Hey, oh, now that's sexy. That's pretty awesome. So it does look like we've got some marquee lighting. Well, before we look at the modes, in regard to the brush heads, we are supplied with a 3D brush head. We also have a smart brush head, where the blue bristles will fade over an amount of time, usually around about 3 months, to indicate that that brush head will need replacing. We are also supplied with some ultra care brush heads too, and collectively we'll have a choice between medium stiffness dupant bristles and super soft standard bristles. Again, all of the brush heads do come hygienically sealed, and each one of them can be placed up on top of the toothbrush unit with ease without the necessity to twist them on. So yeah, you just push them in place and it's done. Yeah. Now you may have already noticed within the package, we have a matching magnetically sealed and perfectly stitched PU leather waterproof travel case. Inside we do get a Type-C charge cable, which, hang on a sec, where do we insert it? Okay, so it looks like you will need a bit of a nail on the end of your finger to help you pry open the bottom exterior cap. After that, you will also need to pry open that waterproof seal. And yes, in case you've not already noticed, this Cheeeese electric toothbrush has a maximum IPX7 waterproof protection, meaning that you can be worry-free when using this within a shower. As you can see just here, we do have that Type-C charge port, which when that Type-C charge cable that is supplied is inserted, you will be visually notified of the battery level. For example, right now, we've got 2 of the 3 upwards pointing arrows remaining. But I will indeed note that it would take anything from 10 to 13 hours to fully charge this toothbrush from flat. Which yes, it does sound a bit long, but trust me guys, it is an average time when comparing that charge time to other well-known mainstream brands. Working time though? Well, based on brushing twice a day, 2 minutes each time, well, this Cheeeese toothbrush will last around 5 to 6 months. Let's power it on and give it a blast, shall we? Now, instead of being bombarded with 5 modes, this Cheeeese Ultra toothbrush has 3 focused modes: sensitive, clean and whiten. Each one of these modes, by the way, are perfectly capable and are catered for people with sensitive teeth also. So for example, we've got a soft and gentle selection, which is aided with that clean mode, which will not only protect your teeth, but we also have that whiten mode that has the highest frequency of up to 37,000 brush strokes per minute, which is specialised to help you remove any type of staining of your pearly whites. Each one of these modes can be visually identified via the illuminating downwards pointing arrows on the front of the unit, and when brushing, we have a 2-minute timer with a 30-second interval reminder to help section your teeth into 4 brushing zones, spending 30 seconds on each one of the sections. But yeah, the Cheeeese electric toothbrush, I certainly think it's rather unique. It is simplistic when it comes to ease of use, and it has a fantastic easy to see visual aid. Okay, I rather wish it would have some type of charging dock included, but other than the fact that we have to plug the cable into the bottom of the toothbrush itself, I really do think that this toothbrush is outstanding. I mean, to be perfectly honest, you're only going to really need to charge this around 6 to 7 months, so it's not too bad really. But yeah, the Cheeeese Dare to Smile at It toothbrush is available just now, and it certainly does look a lot better than some of those well-known brands. Coming in with a price tag of £65. That's around 80 in US dollars. I have left a link for you guys to check this toothbrush out today. Please go in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way to this actual company, but I really do love the Zhush look of this actual toothbrush today. If you do go in that video description, guys, please make sure to like and share this video. I'd very much appreciate it. More importantly, hit that subscribe button just now. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, I really did love actually testing out this toothbrush this week, and to be honest, I do love the name, Cheeeese. We will be back with some unique tech reviews in the next few days, and I hope you guys stick around for them. As usual, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep